like that of my mother that passed away 10 years ago. But when in 1995, I guess, Macedonia signed that agreement about the name and many other things, what she said to me was, actually, the Macedonians from here, they have sold their brothers there. I still remember. I was very surprised at the time. So, like, they are another country. Who cares what they do? I said, no, don't know. It took me lots of time reading and to understand what she meant, especially when I started to understand what happened during the civil war in Greece, what happened to the Macedonian people there. You know, we didn't know anything from them. I had to find books, reading here and there to understand why she said that. Unfortunately, Macedonia is not going on the right path.